This video will demonstrate the application steps necessary to protect a metal roof with the elastomeric coating system. Surface preparation must be completed before proceeding with the application steps in this video. Once again, the metal surface must be properly prepared before proceeding with the following steps. One coat of AccuCaulk must be applied to each fastener head, completely sealing any voids, gaps, or holes. Use a quality paintbrush and coat the fastener heads with AccuCaulk. It is important to secure any loose panels. After the panels are secured, make sure to clean the area. Next, the worker will repair the panel that has just been secured by applying a coating of AccuCaulk along the seams. He will then apply AccuFabric along the same seam. Making sure to eliminate any air bubbles or wrinkles. Finally, a coating of AccuCaulk will be applied to the AccuFabric. Making sure to feather the AccuCaulk 2 inches beyond the AccuFabric. It isn't necessary to apply AccuFabric to all seams, only the seams that have been repaired. This process will ensure a proper seal. In this area, where a fastener has been over-tightened, some small cracks have developed and need to be repaired. Once again, apply AccuCaulk over the area, followed by AccuFabric, making sure to eliminate air bubbles and wrinkles, and finally a coating of AccuCaulk, making sure to feather the AccuCaulk 2 inches beyond the AccuFabric. This too will ensure a proper seal. AccuCaulk must be applied to all seams. Use a paintbrush and ample quantities of AccuCaulk to ensure proper coverage. If a crack or damage is discovered, apply a coat of AccuCaulk to the area. Next, place some AccuFabric over the damaged area. Finally, apply a second coat of AccuCaulk to the area. The metal roof is now ready for the application of AccuRust Prime. When using an airless sprayer to apply the AccuRust Prime, use a multi-pass spray technique to ensure even application to all sides of metal panel corrugations. After several passes with the sprayer, use a wet film gauge to measure the thickness of the AccuRust Prime. A measurement of 6 to 8 wet mils should be achieved for the coating of AccuRust Prime. Once the coating of AccuRust Prime has dried properly, the first coating of AccuShield can be applied to the surface. Continue using an airless sprayer and apply the AccuShield in the same manner that was used to apply the AccuRust Prime. A measurement of 20 to 22 wet mils should be achieved per coat of AccuShield. 2 coats of AccuShield are recommended. It may be necessary to use a wet film gauge several times in order to establish the proper mill thickness. The proper mill thickness is achieved by moving the airless sprayer wand in a smooth, sweeping action. This worker moves the wand for 3 seconds in each direction. Notice that he moves the wand with a steady rhythm for each pass with the sprayer.